Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and of course you're viewing the How To Lady. We do a lot of things on this channel, but mostly we do DIYs and hacks that can be done in a snap. So if you're interested today, stay tuned. And we're gonna get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park.
Yes, we're all about organization, DIYs, and life hacks that can be done in a snap. So today we're going to show you how to cover up those dings, those marks, all of those scuffs that are on your white shelves with little to no effort. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi my YouTube friends, as indicated in the introduction, today we're going to show you a quick hack. You know this channel is all about DIYs, hacks, and how to do things. So you know when you're trying to remove screws from any type of shelving, and this was some shelving that I had in my bathroom. And I'm redoing the bathroom, so I am going to reuse this shelving. So I do want to cover up the holes because we're not going to have screws in this anymore. Well, all you have to do is use your hefty nifty screwdriver and remove the screw like so. I'm getting that screw out of there. And thank goodness when we put this up, we only used one screw because we knew we weren't going to have large, heavy items sitting on top of it. So it didn't require us to use, put screws in all the areas. But even if you have screws in all the areas, you can still use this hack. So I'm removing the bracket that was attached to this board. And then I'm going to take the head of the screwdriver and just kind of press down that area where the screw was, just to kind of get a nice flat surface. There we go. So it's nice and flat now, as flush as I can get it. And then you take your hefty nifty Whiteout. It can be Whiteout from any brand, the brand doesn't matter. And all you do is go right over the hole just to cover it up. Look at there, y'all. Can't beat that with a stick. Oh my goodness. You might have to go in a couple of different directions just to get that hole covered the way you want it. Even if you have little spots. If the shelf is white, this Whiteout trick works. It covers those spots right up. No painting, none of that stuff. Wham, bam. And thank you, ma'am. Isn't that awesome? I want you to try it out. See if you like it. Like I said, if the board is, the shelving is white, this works great, and it covers up everything. You don't have to worry about painting and waiting for the paint to dry, especially if you're going to use the board again. Hope you enjoyed this hack. See you in the next video.
After covering all the holes, marks, and scuffs, I'm now able to use my board in the way I desire. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.